Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about contact forms. Now, when you're just starting out and building your website, you're going to need a contact form so when people land on your website, they'll have a way to contact you. Now, if you're using a default WordPress theme, there might not be a contact form installed. And then sometimes, even when you buy a premium theme, they have their own contact form that comes with it, but sometimes you don't like it or you're looking for a better alternative. So here I have a few listed, and these are listed from easiest to use to hardest to use. Now the first one is Clean and Simple Contact Form by Megan Nicholas. So I already have this one open here. Here's the form, so you can click that link if you want to download this one. And it's very simple to use. As you see, it has a lot of reviews. And you can download the plugin here and upload it directly to your website. Or you can also just search for this plugin within your WordPress dashboard and you can upload it. And I'll show you very briefly how it looks. I have this one installed on one of my websites here. Look how simple and clean this is. Very simple. Name, your email address, confirm your email address, message. And that's it. And it works perfectly. This is a very simple contact form. It's not asking for too much information. And it always works. All the emails are delivered. And that's very important. Okay, so that's one of the forms that you can use. Now, the next one here is Planso forms. Now, I actually use this one, and they actually have a professional version too. But I like this one. This one is very good because it has additional features that you can use. And they actually have a pro form, which is even better. Okay, so I'll show you very quickly how this one looks. I installed this one on my client's website here. As you can see, okay, you can enter in the placeholders here where you can see enter child's name, okay, enter child's age. Okay, they have a lot of different sections you can add. Like you can add bullet lists, like how did you hear about us, internet, search, agent referral, TV, radio. You can customize the colors of the buttons. And all these forms are responsive, which means that they show up perfect on mobile devices like phones and iPads. So you see the way this form is laid out now. Let me show you the way it would look on the phone. Watch the way the format changes. See the way it changes now? Now everything is still clean. So this looks perfect on mobile phones too, because this is about the size of a phone. Like maybe if some people have the iPhone 6S, the very big one, this is about the size of the phone. As you can see, the form still looks very well. And the reason this is also a very good form is because you can set this up where people get redirected to like another page after they enter in the form. Well, you can set it up that way. For example, I'll just do this very quickly. Test. Okay, I'll just put, okay. I just want to show you how this works because this is a very good feature where you can use this form to redirect people to another part of your website. Okay, 498 Los Angeles. Okay, we don't have to put anything there. Hey, let's just put friend. Request more information. So watch what happens. After someone submits the form, you can send them to another page. And actually what I did, I created a custom thank you page and sent them to that page with this message. We'll respond to your request shortly. See some of our working actors and actresses below. So this is something that you can do as well, where basically once someone fills out the form, there's a setting with this form where you can send them to another page. You can redirect them. So this is a very good way to keep people on your website, and that's why I like this form. So keep in mind, this one is this one, Planso Forms. And I have a free version and the pro version. And the pro version offers more features. So that's something that you can use, and that one is here, okay? So you can follow that link, download it here and upload it, or you can also just search for this in your WordPress dashboard under plugins, okay? Now the next one here is the more harder one to use, and it's a paid plugin too. It's called Gravity Forms. Okay, so here's Gravity Forms website here. Okay, this costs about, they have different pricing plans. Yeah, they have it for $39 if you're just going to use it on one website. Okay, that's for one website. This is for 3, and this is for unlimited. Okay, and that's how much it costs per year. So this is more advanced. This might be harder for you to work with, but these forms are very nice as well. Okay, so let me show you how this form will look. I have it on my client's website here. This is a gravity form. Okay, I added this here above the fold. So as you can see, you can add a lot more customizations. And here it is on my other client's website here. This is a gravity form. As you can see, completely custom. We added the arrow. Look, there's even a drop-down box for the other services that he offers. Okay, and then when someone fills out the form is not only sent to you. The information is not only sent to you in an email, but it's in your WordPress dashboard too. So you can actually just log into WordPress and you'll see everyone that filled out your contact forms. That makes everything pretty simple as well. Okay, so that's very simple. So I just wanted to give you all these options. These are very good contact forms that you can use. And this is listed from simplest to hardest to use. So you can check these out. A lot of people use Contact Form 7. You might hear that being used a lot. But here's just some alternatives that you can use. And like I said, these have, advanced options that might be a little bit better for you. Okay, so this is very good, and this will help you improve your WordPress website. It will help you improve conversion rates, depending which form you use. So if you have any questions about these contact forms, feel free to contact me. If not, I'll see you in the next video, and we'll talk about email subscriptions. So I'll see you in the next video.